Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will be talking about Pyth Network. The network itself is growing rapidly at lightning speed. And in this video you will learn what Pyth is, what makes it different from other oracles, and I will try to explain Pyth tokenomics and we will discuss the risks and opportunities. And at the end I will try to make my subjective opinion on its future price. So stay with me. So welcome to All for Men channel. Let's not waste time. As usually, hit a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. So what is Pyth and what sets it apart from its competitors? Basically, Pyth is an oracle that provides market data for smart contracts. And you can see here their tagline is smarter data for smarter contracts, which indicates that they supply reliable market data to decentralized finance, DeFi applications. Specifically, Pyth offers price feeds for various assets, including cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, and equities. So this real-time market data updating every 300 milliseconds is critical for DeFi protocols to function properly. And for example, lending platforms need accurate, tamper-proof price data to calculate liquidation prices. So another thing to say that Pyth sources data from over 95 reputable providers, including both traditional finance firms like Jump Trading and crypto-native exchanges like Binance, OKEx, and Bybit. In total, they supply over 400 data feeds to more than 250 applications across 45 plus blockchains. To give a sense of scale, Pyth provides 80 million data updates daily. And by delivering high-quality real-time market data to DeFi applications, Pyth helps secure smart contract operations that rely on their Oracle network. So their data sources include a diverse mix of crypto exchanges as well as traditional trading firms. And looking at the bigger picture, Pyth has a vast ecosystem with numerous publishers and products that depend on them. And if we look at some of the top applications that use Pyth on DeFi Llama, then of course you have the major Solana applications first of all. Newer projects like Ivo also utilize Pyth, as do Cosmos and injective dApps like Mars Protocol and Helix. Notably, many derivatives platforms use Pyth for its real-time price feeds. It currently provides nearly 450 price feeds covering all major crypto assets like ADA, Aave. Moreover, they have non-cryptocurrency assets like Apple stock, which is an equity that could be very useful if you wanted to create a synthetic version of Apple stock that can be traded on the blockchain, imagine. So in order to do that, you would need a reliable source for the off-chain price of the stock. And the reason the Pyth is so fast is that it runs on Pyth Network, an application blockchain built on Solana codebase. So Pyth is closely tied to Solana and functions as its own separate blockchain for gathering first-party data at sub-second speeds. Note that there are only a few hundred milliseconds between each Pyth network update. They then use the wormhole cross-chain messaging system to bridge to multiple blockchains. But the key is that they are collecting and processing all this data on their own PythNet, which enables the speed. So let's move further and we will try to discuss Pyth tokenomics since they recently launched their own Pyth token. At the time of making this video, the price is just above 55 cents, close to 60, with a market cap of around 850 to 900 million of dollars and a fully diluted valuation of 5.75 billion. To be frank, that's a relatively high fully diluted valuation compared to the market cap. There is only 1.5 billion Pyth in circulation versus 10 billion in total supply. And looking at the distribution and unlock schedule, we see that 52% is for ecosystem growth, 22% is for publisher rewards, those publishing data, 10% is for protocol development, another 10% is for private sales, and 6% is for the community and launch. And in terms of what's currently in circulation, there is the community launch from the airdrop, some for protocol development, publisher rewards, and ecosystem growth. And if we examine the upcoming token releases, we can see that there is a major unlock coming in May of this year, and it's quite substantial. The number of Pyth tokens in circulation is expected to double. And that's a pretty steep increase, not going to lie to you. Keeping track, that's in 3 months. The website Token Unlocks app is really useful in general for finding token unlock schedules and distribution. But what exactly Pyth token is used for? Is there any reason to hold it in general? So, looking at their tokenomics white paper, we see there is some utility, though it's mostly governance. Governance rights tend to add less value to a token. However, that hasn't stopped other governance tokens like Uniswap's Uni token from doing well in the past. Pyth has various governance capabilities that give it a lot of control over key aspects of the network. Specifically, Pyth can set the fees for updating data, determine the reward system for data providers, approve software changes to on-chain programs across blockchains, decide which new data feeds are listed and their reference data sources, and determine the requirements for entities to provide data feeds. In essence, Pyth governs everything related to the price feeds, from fees and rewards to listing eligibility. Given the importance of accurate price feeds, Pyth wields substantial power over the network through these governance abilities. However, one thing Pyth currently lacks is the capacity to actually collect the fees it sets, even though this may change in the future. By the way, guys, a short advertisement, please do not skip, maybe you'll find it useful. I'm personally using Tangem wallet for holding any crypto in general. It is a self-custodial hardware wallet that gives you absolute control of your private keys. It has been audited by Kudelski Security, an independent Swiss audit company. The chip has the highest certification level EAL 6+, which guarantees the high level of security of your assets. You can find the report on the official Tangem's website, everything is transparent. And unlike other wallets, Tangem comes with 3 cards, and what I personally like is that it is shaped like a card, looks like a traditional bank credit card, and it can fit anywhere, can be taken anywhere, and these cards are used for generating and storing your private keys instead of a recovery seed phrase. The wallet supports over 6,000 different crypto assets across 37 networks. You can also access decentralized applications, and through the secure Wallet Connect protocol, the mobile app also allows you to trade on exchanges, buy NFTs, and stake your assets. It is absolutely easy to set up and easy to use. And for the pack of 3 Tangem cards, 1 wallet. I really do recommend you to have 3 because it has a higher level of security. It will cost you around $70. This makes it one of the most affordable hardware wallets when compared to options like Trezor models, for example, Ledger or others. And if you use promo code ALL4MEN, you will get additional 10% discount. So please go ahead and explore the website for yourselves. If you're looking for a good quality wallet to store your crypto, I do suggest Tangem. The link you can find in the description. Thank you for watching, and let's continue. From the positive aspects is that there is monetary exchange occurring in this network. So when money is changing hands, it's a good indication of potential future worth for the system. Also, since Pyth will be safeguarding this network and a lot of value depends on it, there is some premium attributed to the fact that it is securing a network that is itself secure in value. Obviously, some people would have motivation both to protect the data and to hack or exploit it. However, there is also speculation that because so many applications are using Pyth and some don't have their own tokens, there could theoretically be future airdrops for Pyth stakers, but that's just speculation now. And regarding staking Pyth, I think it can be a separate video. Just let me know in the comments if you're interested in it. Just write down something staking Pyth, and I'll do a separate video for you guys because I think it's quite important to know as well. So to summarize, let's examine the risks and opportunities associated with the Pyth network. So starting with the opportunities. Pyth is securing a large number of applications on fast-growing blockchains like Injective and Solana. And as those networks expand, the amount secured by Pyth will also grow. Additionally, as more applications launch on those blockchains, the number relying on Pyth will likely increase too. Another opportunity is that Pyth has some major partners, both on the protocol side and data publisher side, which tends to benefit the longevity and success of a project. As for risks, the biggest one is the large token unlock happening in just over 3 months, and this could make me hesitant to invest a large amount before the unlock. But it can be similar to what had happened with Dydex in December. I was making a precise video about it, and huge unlocks were expected there. A lot of tokens were supposed to be poured into the market, but the price eventually was pumped and it never returned to its bottom values. And pretty much same currently happening with Pyth. Like basically it's already 60 cents and it was at about 25 cents. So coming back to the large token unlock, this could make me hesitant to invest a large amount before the unlock itself happens. So while the price may drop before and turn into buy the news event after, I'd be quite skeptical about locking tokens for 3 months prior to unlock. Another risk is that Chainlink remains the dominant oracle, and on DeFi Llama we can see Chainlink secures the most value, giving it a substantial first mover advantage over Pyth. So Pyth eventually will have to overcome Chainlink's significantly larger market position, which is quite achievable in my opinion, but Chainlink has the edge, at least for now. So right now there are no major warning signs that would dissuade me or investors from taking a chance on this project, so I'm monitoring it closely. I have already purchased Pyth already at around 25 cents, but it's not even the minimum amount that I would like to have in general in my portfolio. At the moment, the price is quite high, near into 60 cents, and I'll be waiting for a further decline to buy more. So Pyth is pretty straightforward, and the Pyth network has already proven its utility in DeFi. There is definitely positive potential for this token's growth, and its relationship to Solana is also noteworthy. Some Solana traders could look to take profits in Solana and rotate into different tokens within the ecosystem. So let me know, guys, in the comments if you're ready to add some Pyth to your portfolio. And that was it from my side for today. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful by providing new insights, please let me know and show your appreciation by liking and commenting. Your feedback is very valuable and motivates me to create more videos. And you found the content interesting, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more great stuff. Also, check out my Telegram channel where I chat with others about current events and share my opinions on the latest news. The link is in the description, so feel free to join. So stay tuned for more videos, guys, and see you soon.